जीवन की अर्थव्यवस्था में पशुधन का बीमार होना कितना बड़ा झटका होता है। एफएमडी यानी फूट एंड माउथ डिसीज, पूरा भारत इस बीमारी से पशुओं को मुक्त करें।
पशुओं के पैरों और मुंह में छाले पड़ना, वजन कम हो जाना और दूध कम होना जैसी समस्याओं से अपने पशुओं को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए ये टीके अवश्य लगवाएं। और हाँ, हर बार टीके लगवाने के लिए नई सुई का प्रयोग करना न भूलें।
किसान और पशुपालक साथी अपने पशुओं को एफएमडी यानी फुट एंड माउथ डिसीज से बचाने हेतु टीकाकरण के लिए नजदीकी सरकारी पशु चिकित्सालय से संपर्क करें।
You are tuned to AIR FM Gold on 100.1 megahertz. Welcome back, listeners, to the third and the last segment of the broadcast of Western music this morning. The show now has come, Brunch with Us. And brunching with us yet again is our dear, faithful doctor friend, who is also a musicologist apart from being a cardiologist, Dr. Anirudh Chandorkar. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, Kiranji, and a very warm welcome to all our viewers and listeners from across the country. And today's show is very, very special.
Yes, because I've come to know, doctor, that you are very fond of jazz music. Now, I believe the influence of jazz music, from the Western world, found its way into our film industry as well. Is that true?
Very true. In fact, the word jazz has many origin theories. Some people would like to believe it's from Africa, some from African American origins, some from even French. One knows that the word jazzm, J-A-S-M, has been used as slang for various objects with rather physical, denigrating and vulgar meanings. However, jazz is definitely from jazzm. That's what the sum total of the entire argument is. Bossa Nova is a genre of jazz, which is a lyrical fusion of jazz and samba music, which also influenced Bollywood music and was pretty much the rage in between the 1950s and 1960s in the US. So we will discuss jazz, its influence on Bollywood music, and consider a few examples of that. So the first song of the day is going to be a song, and very few genres have had persistent presence for almost 6 decades in Bollywood. Apart from jazz, the only other genre I can think which has influenced Bollywood's music so much is Hindustani classical. Nothing else has, all others, waves have come and gone away, but these two have persisted and have retained their freshness and their appeal also. The first song is from a 1950s movie called Samadhi, which had Ashok Kumar and Nalini Jayawant. It was, it's based on a Coco, Chico Chico from Puerto Rico, which was sung by Carmen Miranda, which was also based on Edmundo Ross, who was a Trinidadian Venezuelan musician. His composition was converted into a film song by Carmen Miranda, and Sri Ramchandra took it further. And he first heard this jazz pair called Chick Chocolate and Chris Perry in Taj Mahal Hotel. And he was influenced by their music, and he took that kernel and converted into an absolutely unforgettable Hindi movie song called Gore Gore O Baaki Chhore. It's a rare duet because it's sung by two women, performed as a dance sequence in two women, one of whom acts as a man. Mirbai Karnataki and Lata Mangeshkar sing the song. It's a very, very enjoyable song. Gore Gore O Baaki Chhore.
गोरे गोरे ओ बाकी छोरे, कभी मेरी गली आया करो। गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी, चाहे रोज बुलाया करो। गोरे गोरे ओ बाकी छोरे, कभी मेरी गली आया करो। गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी, चाहे रोज बुलाया करो। रोज रोज मुलाकात अच्छी नहीं, प्यार में ऐसी बात अच्छी नहीं। थोड़ा थोड़ा मिलना, थोड़ी सी जुदाई, सदा चांदनी रात अच्छी नहीं। छोड़ो छोड़ो जिया न तोड़ो, किसी और को जलाया रो। गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी, चाहे रोज बुलाया करो। गोरे गोरे ओ बाकी छोरे, कभी मेरी गली आया करो। गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी, चाहे रोज बुलाया करो। छोटी सी बात पर ये लड़ाई, प्यार की दुहाई है, प्यार की दुहाई। अखियों में अखियां डाल के तो देखो, चेहरे से गुस्सा है दिल में सफाई। घड़ी घड़ी ओ बड़ी बड़ी अच्छी बातें न बनाया करो। गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी, चाहे रोज बुलाया करो। गोरे गोरे ओ बाकी छोरे, कभी मेरी गली आया करो।
I think the instruments made it quite apparent that there's so much of a touch of jazz in it.
Yes, almost purely jazz, instrumentation and composition.
Yes.
The next song is also from one of the most famous albums ever in Hindi film music, considered to be one of the best scores in movies, all-time movie scores. Also composed by C. Ramchandra. It was also based on another Carmen Miranda composition called Mama El Guru from the album Portrait. Now, Bhagwan, who starred in the movie, gave complete freedom to C. Ramchandra to compose the music. And for this song, he actually went and learned Cha-Cha, the dance form, from the grandparents of today's Siddharth Roy Kapoor and Aditya Roy Kapoor. Their grandparents taught Bhagwan this dance, and it is considered one of the most enjoyable movies I have ever seen, which staged something of a cult resurgence and was extremely popular when we went into college.
Okay.
Although it had been released almost 15-20 years ago. So the song is Shola Jo Bhadke from the movie Bela. And C. Ramchandra composed this purely from jazz.
शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के। किसने पुकारा दिल में उतर गया किसका इशारा, प्यार को मेरे किसने पुकारा दिल में उतर गया किसका इशारा। याद ये किसकी लाई पकड़ के, याद ये किसकी लाई पकड़ के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के। शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के। सकेंगे तुमसे बिछड़ के, दर्द जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के। शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के।
Now that's what I call a real jazzy composition. Which is going to be the next song you'll be talking about?
The next song is from O.P. Nayyar's composition. He created this song for Howrah Bridge. Very, very early hit from Shakti Samanta's production house. The song is extremely famous and has remained so over the last 6 decades. It has elements of rock and roll and jazz. And the song was arranged by genius arranger Sebastian D'Souza. And the opening part of the song, opening tune, was created by an ace Hawaiian guitarist for O.P. Nayyar called Hazra. Why O.P. Nayyar sidelined guitar after this super hit song remains a mystery. Something that he regretted later and he's publicly stated so. The song, Mera Naam Chin Chin Chu.
Simply awesome. Which is going to be the next song you're going to be talking about?
The next song is a typical Hindi movie improvisation of an original jazz number, where the original is taken, you can identify it. It's totally improvised with the addition of a lot of interludes much more exuberance and flow which the original does not have. The amazing part is that the song is sung by a singer who's famous for his classical music rendition. Manna Dey is a surprising singer. The song is beautiful. From Pancham's early movies called Bhoot Bangla, which was Mehmood movie. Incidentally, first few movies that Pancham did were for Mehmood, because Mehmood could not get Barman Lal to compose for him. And the song is Aao Twist Kare, based on Chabi Chekkar's Come Let's Twist Again.
Yeah.
The Hindi version is a far better rendition and adaptation of the original. Aao Twist Kare.
सुनो और गौर से सुनो, अरे पहले तालियां तो बजाओ। आज रात का मैं आखिरी गाना गा रहा हूं और गाने में ये कहना चाहता हूं कि दुनिया में खुश रहना हो तो मानो मेरी बात। आओ ट्विस्ट करे कटपुटा मौसम में, आओ ट्विस्ट करे, जिंदगी है यही। ना जुटी है जिंदगानी ओ मेरी जान, ना जुटी है जिंदगानी ओ मेरी जान। चम चमा चम चम चमा चम हाय ट्विस्ट करे कटपुटा मौसम में, आओ ट्विस्ट करे, जिंदगी है यही।
Wow. And after that rockin' number, which is the next song you'll be talking about?
The next song is equally rocking. It's from, it's based on a 8-piece band which all came from US to Mumbai. It was headed by Leon Abbey, and he performed in various hotels and clubs in Mumbai. And he's gone on record as quoting, first they swore at my music, and then they swore by my music. So Indians fell in love with jazz a little slowly. And this, Leon Abbey's compositions were adapted to use an immortal song from the movie Asha, a duet by Kishore Kumar. It's in two versions actually. Kishore Kumar and Asha Bhosle have both sung it. Inami Nadika, foot tapping number, Inami Nadika.
Inami Nadika, Damanika, Maga Naga Naga, Chika Pika Rika, Inami Nadika Dika De, Damanika, Maga Naga Maga Naga, Chika Pika Rola Rika, Ram Pam Coach, Ram Pam Coach. दिल बेचूं है कोई लेने वाला, ऐसे वैसे को नहीं देने वाला। सूरत या हंसी हो, उम्र या जवां हो, कोई भी उसे देखे तो बस ये गुमा हो। यही है, यही है, यही तो है वो Inami Nadika, Dai Dominica,
Maka naka naka, Chika pika rika, Dina mina rika dika day day damanika, maka naka, chika pika rola rika, ram pam poch. मत सोचो कि सस्ता है सौदा, फल पाए लगाएगा जो पौधा। दिल की ये क्यारी बनेगी फुलवारी, ये दुनिया जलेगी जलन की हमारी, हंसेगी मेरी प्यारी। इना मीना डिका, डाई डमनिका, मका नका, चिका पिका रिका, इना मीना रिका डिका डे डाई डमनिका, मका नका, चिका पिका रोला रिका, राम पम पोश।
Brunching with us this Monday morning is the famous adult interventional cardiologist Dr. Anirudh Chandorkar, who is also a musicologist. And this morning he is discussing the impact of jazz music on our Hindi film industry. And which is the next song that you would like to take up now, Dr. Chandorkar?
This next song comes directly into the 70s, and in fact, two of my classmates used to do a very good rendition of this. One is a housewife in US now, Anita Vasudevan, and the other was, that time, plain Jane Anil Arora, and now he's a famous dentist in Mumbai, and they used to do this song very well. This is by Pancham. The first song used very, very beautiful harmonizing, with Shiv Kumar sticking to the high notes and Asha Bhosle sticking to the lower octaves. And it's a fantastic song with quick strumming patterns, complex chords, the use of very, very innovative use of flute, violin, and bass guitar. This is the song Jaani Ja Dhoonta Fir Raha from the movie Jawani Diwani.
मैं
Now, Dr. Chandorkar, we see that there is a marked difference in the instruments that were used in this song and the earlier ones that we heard.
Yes, naturally, because Pancham was pretty much the genius. He took a song that the root may have been from jazz, but he changed it around so much that it's very difficult for people to believe that it has origin from jazz.
Okay.
The next song is pure jazz, and this is a song which is the movie was based on a Sharat Chandra classic. It was made earlier, and it was remade recently. The roots of this song actually go back almost 80 years. It was originally composed in 1935 by Kalmar and Ruby. The song was called Moonlight on the Meadow, and it was made for a movie, A Night at the Opera. It was kind of ignored that time till it was remade by Louis Armstrong as A Kiss to Build a Dream On. It actually won an Oscar nomination in 1951. This song has been turned around and used by Shantanu Moitra and Sohanat Kirkire has written the lyrics. And the song is absolutely beautiful. Sunidhi Chauhan had one of her best songs, Kaisi Paheli Zindagani, from the movie Premika.
कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी, थामा हारों का इसको किसने, हाँ ये तो बहता पानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी, थामा हारों का इसको किसने, हाँ ये तो बहता पानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी।
My God, this has the distinct resemblance to the style of Ella Fitzgerald and Dinah Shore. Let me tell our listeners that brunching with us this morning is Dr. Anirudh Chandorkar. And if you have a message for him, you can SMS us on 53010, type GOLD Gold, type space, and then send your messages. We would love to have your feedback. How do you enjoy this presentation of songs from Hindi films that have a distinct impact of jazz music on them? Which is going to be the next song you're talking about, Dr. Chandorkar?
I will just take you back a few decades for a movie which was scored by Ravi. The movie is called Dilli Ka Thug. And the movie is all about Kishore Kumar, his understanding of the various musical genres. Although he was not classically trained at all as a singer, his amazing singing, his amazing animation, and his dancing. And this movie is Dilli Ka Thug has Kishore Kumar with Nutan, and what a song! हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा।
हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा, दुनिया से नहीं डरेगा, चाहे ये जमाना कहे हमको दीवाना, अजी हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा, दुनिया से नहीं डरेगा, चाहे ये जमाना कहे हमको दीवाना, अजी हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा। लेके चले जाते हैं, पीछे पीछे दीवाने फिर भी चले आते हैं। चुपके से आप तो दिल लेके चले जाते हैं, पीछे पीछे दीवाने फिर भी चले आते हैं।
मेरी जूती से
जूता पालिश करेगा, जूता पालिश करेगा, लेकिन तुम पर मरेगा। चाहिए जमाना कहे हमको दीवाना, अजी हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा। ठोकर से और भी अरमाए जवां होते हैं, दुनिया में हम जैसे आशिक भी कहाँ होते हैं। ठोकर से और भी अरमाए जवां होते हैं, दुनिया में हम जैसे आशिक भी कहाँ होते हैं।
अरे वाह रे मजनू,
लैला लैला करेगा, लैला ओ लैला, लैला लैला करेगा, ठंडी आहें भरेगा। चाहिए जमाना कहे हमको दीवाना, अजी हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा। दूर हो के अजी क्यों ना सताओ हमको, हम जिए कैसे भला ये तो बताओ हमको। दूर हो के अजी क्यों ना सताओ हमको, हम जिए कैसे भला ये तो बताओ हमको।
डूब मरो,
डूबेगा नहीं तरेगा, डूबेगा नहीं तरेगा, प्यार से हम नहीं डरेगा। चाहिए जमाना कहे हमको दीवाना, अजी हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा। दुनिया से नहीं डरेगा, चाहिए जमाना कहे हमको दीवाना, अजी हम तो मोहब्बत करेगा।
Doctor, I think the choice of percussion instruments in this song were not so distinctly Western, and that is what gave it a slight deviation from the typical jazz swing beat. Am I right?
Yes, of course, because typically our producers, music composers, took the jazz theme and then built on it and improvised on it a lot to make it adaptable to our people.
Okay.
In fact, that's what the American guy also said, that he had to slow down the tempo to make it kind of palatable and likable to the Indian audiences.
All right, all right.
That is played in US and from the African American origins.
Okay.
The last song for the day is from a very, very creative trio that I love a lot. Shankar Ehsan Loy have composed this. The song is sung by Sunidhi Chauhan as a peppy song which celebrates womanhood. Her uninhibited, powerful vocals and amazing breath control always leave me in awe. This song, incidentally, is the first time a dance form called Charleston has ever been performed in Bollywood. And this is something that you would see typically in Radio City Music Hall kind of, performances.
Okay.
The song is Girls Like to Swing from a recent movie, Dil Dhadakne Do. Sunidhi Chauhan, Girls Like to Swing.
Yeah, but before
Thank
I
you
bring
so
on
much
this...
for...
No, but before I play the song, will you just explain to the listeners that are jazz and swing the same thing? Because the term swing comes in this number.
Not quite the same, but they belong to the same kind of genre. It's application of music to a particular rhythmic oscillation of notes and of rhythm and of percussion, and blending itself to dancing on it. Jazz is all about enjoyment. It's not just an oral phenomenon. So much of jazz has come to the dance clubs and the nightclubs where it's performed live to audiences. So it's so much more than just a sit-down kind of performance where the audience enjoys. There is that form of jazz also, the concert jazz. But this is typically what you would expect in a nightclub.
Okay.
So Girls Like to Swing, Dil Dhadakne Do.
Thank
you
so
so much for inviting me, and it's been a pleasure researching for you and to kind of keep my mind fresh. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We enjoyed it just as much. Here goes.
जिनके दीवाने तुम भी तो हो। हंसती गाती लड़कियां, खिलखिलाती लड़कियां, चाहती सब क्या है ये सुनो।